Okay, I want you to find a safe place to pull up on the right, please.
I think I'm happy here.
Okay, critique. What do you think of it?
Too quick.
Did you signal to push the car to the right? Did you signal to let people know you're pulling in?
Didn't I?
I'm asking you.
I think I did.
Did you maintain the signal until you stopped?
That maybe have gone off.
Because possibly somebody could overtake you as you're reducing your speed.
Um,
You're not showing them that you're parking up on the right.
so I need to do it before I start the manoeuvre.
Yeah. So do you know, if I said to you, I would have stopped near the next grass verge
Yeah, it might have been better.
with my right signal on. Can we move off from this position and then we're going to do another pull up on the right? So we're not going to reverse.
Yeah, we're just moving.
We're just going to move off and then find somewhere else to reverse.
Yeah. Okay. Checking the mirrors.
Oh, I know you are.
Signaling left. Moving off. Now it's left, right?
Yep,
It is.
that's right. Now follow the road ahead.
No.
And we're now going to find a safe place to pull up on the right.
Okay.
If there isn't one, just go to the end of the road and turn left.
Okay.
Because nobody expects you to park too close to a junction.
Right.
And then we'll do one on that road somewhere.
Okay. Okay.
Now follow the road ahead and then find a safe place to pull up on the right.
Just leaving me. Thank you. Thank you. He's hating me, but hey. So, checking on the mirrors, signaling, moving on, pulling on the right now, and then just going it further and further and further and further. And I'll stop here.
Okay, critique it. What do you think of it?
I maybe could have gone a bit further.
This was perfect where you stopped.
Okay. I could have gone a bit closer to the
It's
pavement.
perfect where you stopped.
What?
Anything else?
Should have. I checked.
That was perfect. You're checking.
I put the right signal.
That was perfect. You're
So
saying.
did I do wrong?
Keep thinking. Something that's missing.
I can't. That's
Your speed.
Too fast? Too slow?
Too fast.
Too fast.
I can walk faster than you driving.
I was very slow.
Yeah. So if you pulled off that junction at that speed, somebody was coming behind you,
It might have crashed me.
they would crash into you.
Okay.
So what should you have done?
As soon as I turn, go to second, then carry on a little bit, and then signal, and then
There.
maybe do
So where would you have actually ended up?
somewhere there.
Yeah. You kind of subconsciously know where you would have finished.
Yeah.
So what you need to do is you need to be conscious of when you're coming out. Do you know, something else I just want you aware of. When you're turning left at the end of the road, did your signal cancel? You must reapply your signal. When you're approaching a junction, you must have your signal on. You must.
Okay. I didn't even realize.
You need to.
No.
When it makes a ticking noise in a car and it stops ticking,
No.
you have to put it back on again.
Okay.
Okay. You've parked okay. You've parked it wonderfully. What I need you to do now is reverse 2 spaces. I wouldn't even bother looking at the moment.
No. Okay. So I'm rehearsing.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Why is not okay? So is this 1 car space?
Maybe.
Okay.
We'll see.
Thank you. That's very.
I'm not going to answer your question very intentionally. That's good. So you learn very quickly, but you learn sometimes by analysing your own
Mistakes.
questions.
Okay. I think I'm just gonna stop to allow this person to go through.
Remember what you said to me at the start of the lesson? You said, oh look, I'm going to signal which way when cars are going past you. You said you were going to do something.
Did I?
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Even when the car passed me when I'm rehearsing.
Yes. Why? What will you think?
To show them that I'm actually.
Yes. That you're staying on that side of the road.
Staying there. Okay, makes sense. Otherwise.
That's it. I like my wheels on my car. They're very shiny and they need to remain shiny
Okay.
and not scratchy.
Okay.
And now come to a stop. Secure the car. Okay, 2-second break. Critique it again. If you could have done it better, and if there's something that you could do better, what do you think it could be?
The checking.
What do you mean?
I could do blind spots maybe.
Anything else? Stop trying to guess it. Try and be a bit more concise. So you looked to the left. You've looked in a rear view camera. Where haven't you looked at all?
What here?
No, you just said blind spot, but you looked in
Mhm.
it. But you looked in a different direction. Where did you look? You were correct in terms of where you
Oh,
looked.
these blind spots.
No, you were correct in where you looked.
Yeah.
You were incorrect with what you said. A few seconds ago, you looked at me and you said, "Oh, I need to look in my blind spot,"
No.
and you looked in a different.
I look in the.
Yes, the back window. You haven't looked in the back window yet.
Okay.
Yet the car's going backwards. So looking in the right door mirror, what will it show you?
Just this bit over there.
Exactly. What's behind you,
No, I
and that's how
can't-
people have accidents.
I see. So I should be. But I was looking at it. But yeah, I don't see what's happening there.
You need to look over your shoulder.
No.
If you find it difficult, I mean, you can take your seatbelt off and look.
Okay.
It's not an issue, but you must put the seatbelt back on to move forward.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, so you've done your reverse. Now you need to move off when you're ready.
Okay. What did I do? I missed something, did I?
No. I need to keep you safe, and I need to keep me safe.
But I did check.
But I want to keep me safe
Okay.
and keep me safe.
Okay.
I want to go on holidays. I want to keep myself safe. I want to enjoy my holiday. So when you looked at me and I looked at you, were you looking past me or were you looking at me?
I looked past you.
That's brilliant. I needed you to do that.
Yeah.
To look into your left blind spot.
Where am I going?
At the end of the road, turn left, please.